Welcome friends. Problems on missing digits are very common in recreational mathematics. Now solving these type of problems require a bit of mathematical logic and an understanding of number theory. In today's session, let us see one problem which involves solving missing digits. So let us start today's session. Here the value of 23 factorial is given. The only problem is that two digits are missing over here. What is the value that is given? 23 factorial equal to 2585201 blank blank 38884976640000. So our work is to find out the two missing digits. How shall we find out the two missing digits? Here see 23 factorial means 1 into 2 into 3 into it will go till 23. Now over here you will have somewhere a multiplication of 9. So you can easily tell that this huge number is divisible by 9 because 23 factorial has a factor of 9. So this huge number will be divisible by 9. Now we all know the property of a number which is divisible by 9. What is the property? The property is that if you add up all the digits, then the sum which you are getting, that is also divisible by 9. So if you add up all the digits, now for the sake of consideration, let these two missing digits be x and y. So since these huge number is divisible by 9, if you add up all the digits, then that also will be divisible by 9. So what happens if you add up all this? That means 2 plus 5 plus 8 plus 5 plus and so on till the last 0. If you add up this, you will see you will get 86 plus x plus y. Now this number will also be divisible by 9. Okay. Now can you guess what will be the sum x plus y over here? See, x and y can assume the values 0 to 9. Okay. What can be the maximum assumption? The maximum assumption can be 9 and 9 and the minimum can be 0 and 0. Let us consider the maximum assumption. So maximum will be 9 and 9. So if x is 9 and y is 9, the addition will be 18. So for max, it will be 86 plus 9 plus 9, that is equal to 104. Now 104 we all know it is not divisible by 9. So you will have to find out what are the nearest numbers from 86 that are divisible by 9. What are the nearest numbers? See, if you go beyond 86 and before 104, because this sum will not cross 104, because x and y can assume the values 9 and 9 maximum. So this value will not cross 104. So what are the nearest numbers after 86 not crossing 104 that are divisible by 9? See, the numbers are 90 and 99. So these are the two numbers which are after 86 and before 104 that are divisible by 9. So if you reach till 90, how much you have to add after 86? That is 4. So x plus y can be 4 over here, and if the number is 99, what you have to add after 86? That is 13. So x plus y can be 13 also. So these are the two assumptions that we can have. X plus y can be 4 also, x plus y can be 13 also. Now let us move on to the next part of solving this problem. See, 23 factorial can be written as 1 into 2 into somewhere you will have 9 into 10 into 11 into till 23. Now since 9 was a factor, we told that this number is divisible by 9. Similarly, you can tell 11 is also a factor. So this number will also be divisible by 11. Now, what is the property of a number if it is divisible by 11? The property is that if a number is divisible by 11, then the sum of the odd placed digits minus the sum of the even placed digits is also divisible by 11. That is, if you add up the odd placed digits 2 plus 8 plus 2 plus 1 plus y plus 8 and so on, minus the even placed digits addition minus 5 plus 5 plus 0 plus x plus 3 plus so on, the number which you will get will also be divisible by 11. So what we are getting? 2 plus odd placed 8 plus 2 plus 1 plus y plus the odd placed odd minus the even placed 5 plus 5 plus 0 plus x plus so on, the even placed. This number is also divisible by 11. If you do the addition, you will see this is 48 plus y minus this is 38 plus x. What you are getting? That is equal to 48 minus 38, that is 10 plus y minus x. Now this number will be divisible by 11. That was the property of a number which is divisible by 11. Now if this number is divisible by 11, what will be the value of y minus x? See, for this number to be divisible by 11, the nearest number after 10 which is divisible by 11, that is 11 itself. So if you just add up 1 over here, 10 plus 1, the number which you are getting 11 is divisible by 11. So by that logic, y minus x will be 1. So another thing, you have got y minus x equal to 1. So alongside with x plus y equal to 4 and x plus y equal to 13, you also got y minus x equal to 1. 4 minus 1, 3. So x is becoming equal to 3 by 2, which is a fraction. Over here, x and y are pure natural numbers, along with it can be 0 also. Okay. So x cannot be equal to 3 by 2, x cannot be equal to fraction because x is a digit over here, non-negative digit. So this equation will be discarded. Now let us put the expression of y in this equation. What you have? X plus y equal to 13. So if I put the expression of y, you have x plus 1 equal to 13, that is 2x equal to 12, 13 minus 1, 12, and x equal to 6. X equal to 12 by 2, that is 6. If x is equal to 6, put the value of x over here, y equal to 6 plus 1, that is y equal to 7. So you have got the values of x and y, 6 and 7. So these two missing digits will be 6 and 7. See, by simple logic and number theoretic understandings, you have solved this problem. If you have liked today's short video, share this video with your friends, subscribe to my channel and follow my page. Till then, goodbye.